I'm Dr. Shelley Lovitt, and I would like to tell you about an exciting new treatment for the symptoms of menopause that many women suffer from. Unfortunately, as women go through menopause and start having decreased estrogen levels, the tissue inside the vagina starts becoming very, very thin and very fragile. It tears very easily. It doesn't produce lubrication like it once did. And over time, unfortunately, being intimate with one's partner becomes very, very painful, to the point that many women tell me that they've been unable to be intimate with their partners for some time. So in the past, we've been able to treat this with estrogens in different forms, sometimes in the form of a topical cream, sometimes as a very tiny tablet that one inserts. However, many women can't take hormones, or some women choose not to take hormones. And sometimes the women tell me that even while on hormones, they don't work quite as well, or the hormones are a little bit messy to have to deal with, especially the topical hormones. So it's only been in the last year and a half that the FDA has approved the Mona Lisa Touch laser vaginal rejuvenation. The laser, which is here, is a CO2 laser that we're able to use a special probe and insert inside the vagina and apply CO2 laser to the tissue in a 360-degree area inside the vagina. What the laser does is it actually causes very small micro trauma areas to the skin inside the vagina, very superficial, but deep enough to induce collagen stimulation inside the vagina, new elastin production, new blood vessel formation, and new mucus cell production. So the result for women is that the tissue becomes thicker, much more elastic and stretching, so it's not as painful. And also we see a great improvement in the production of lubrication, especially during intercourse. So I was one of the first physicians to get the Mona Lisa Touch laser in Denver. Very, very excited about the results. I love when patients come back after telling me that sex is just becoming so incredibly painful. And when they come back for their second treatment and they tell me that they never imagined they would be having the best sex of their life at age 58 or 62. So it's been very rewarding and exciting to be able to help women with this very troubling time with something that's relatively easy and painless. The CO2 laser requires 3 applications, each one taking about 10 to 15 minutes, and we recommend waiting about 6 weeks in between each treatment. The treatments are, for the most part, painless. I do have to insert a probe inside the vagina, and because women are frequently coming in due to dryness, that's probably the most uncomfortable part, is that I can't use lubrication because it is a CO2 laser. So it's somewhat uncomfortable when I insert the probe, but the laser application itself is painless. People can feel a slight vibration sensation while I'm doing the laser treatments. And as I said, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes for a single laser treatment. And following the laser treatment, the patients are able to leave without any discomfort. They're able to return to their normal routine. They're able to exercise, do all normal things, with the exception of nothing inside the vagina for 48 hours. So again, the CO2 laser is used for postmenopausal vaginal atrophy. Some women start experiencing these symptoms even prior to menopause. Some women using progesterone-based contraception like Depo-Provera, or women who've recently had a baby and are breastfeeding, will also suffer some of the same symptoms that come along with menopause as the hormone levels are changing. And so the laser could be used in any of those situations. As an exciting benefit, we're also seeing that the laser helps tighten the vaginal tissue, and also helps with urinary incontinence, some of the troubling urinary symptoms like urgency and frequency. We are seeing anywhere from a 70 to a 90% improvement. And for the symptoms of vaginal atrophy, pain during intercourse, dryness during intercourse, we're seeing about a 90% positive response rate. So again, this has been incredibly exciting, and we are trying to let women know that there are options available to them. So if you are interested in learning more about the CO2 laser and what it can do to help with your symptoms, call us today. Thank you.